Good morning. Today I'm making a spiral omelet. It's very versatile, very easy to make, and great for a crowd or just your family. Let's get started on Darlene's table. First thing I've done is oil a 15 by 10 pan, and then I put the parchment paper in and oil the top of the parchment paper as well. So I'll set this aside and let's get started on the egg part. First we'll start with the cream cheese. It's 4 ounces of cream cheese. This does go into the eggs. 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to mix this a little. Now I'm adding the milk. We'll beat this again, mix it up real well. This will be part of the egg mixture. Now the nutmeg. I'm grating it myself. It has a much stronger, better flavor when you grate it. Now Parmesan, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Give this a good stir. A dozen eggs. We're going to beat these eggs. Whip them well. Now here's the cream cheese mixture. This goes into the eggs. I'm adding a little cayenne to taste, but it's not enough to make it hot. Some salt and pepper. Give this a good stir. Now pour this egg mixture into the pan with the oiled parchment paper. It's going to go into our preheated oven, preheated to 375 degrees. This will bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until firm. All right, while that's baking, I've got 2 tablespoons of butter in the skillet, and I'm going to saute the vegetables. I'm using poblano peppers and onion. You could add red bell pepper. There's so many options for this. Saute this until the onions look a little translucent. Add some salt and pepper. We'll keep stirring just a little. I think that looks pretty good. So out with the vegetables. Okay. So the eggs puffed a little bit in certain places, bubbled up, and I want it flat. So I'm just going to puncture it with a toothpick to flatten it back out. See there? There we go. Now we're going to move it onto the board. This is hot, be careful. All right, here we go. Now we're going to start layering. So I'm putting the vegetables on, and I have already pre-cooked my sausage. I did that yesterday, put it in the refrigerator, and then just popped it in the microwave to heat it up a little, because you want to put everything on here warm. So I've got a pound of sausage, and I wound up not using quite all of it. And then white sharp cheddar. We'll start rolling, and the egg is hot, so it's not the easiest thing. So it tore a little bit there, but it'll be hidden in the folding. Won't even know it. All right, now I'm going to move this to my platter with the seam side down. Put a little Parmesan over the top and some green onion. I should have a garden with just green onion. I use so much green onion. I trimmed off the ends just a little bit to make it pretty, and then just use a serrated knife and slice it. This is just a different way of serving eggs to your guest or family. But it does look pretty, doesn't it? And imagine the options you have. Well, there you have it, a spiral omelet. While visually appealing to look at, it was equally tasty, filled with sausage, cheese, peppers, and onions, and spices. Need I say more? So, was it worth it? Well, I'll let you decide. If you want to impress a group of people with your cooking skills, or if you are just plain bored with the everyday breakfast fare, well then yes, I think this is worth the effort. And that's my take on this recipe. I placed a little homemade salsa on this one, but sour cream, pico de gallo, creme fraiche will all work as well. You can find this printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.